Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. I'll be showing us about oxidation and reduction reaction. I will identify where reduction and oxidation is occurring here, and I will also identify the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. This is just a continuation of the last class lecture on oxidation and reduction. So if you notice something here, that in this place hydrogen sulfide, the sulfur here has been replaced with oxygen. So if you look at the reactant side and the product side, we will see that oxygen has been added to this one. Oxygen has been added here. So this place, oxidation is occurring. Oxidation is occurring. So that is oxidation. And then if we notice our SO2, we have SO2 here, and then we just have 3S here. The oxygen has been removed here. So reduction is occurring. So don't forget one of the things that I said yesterday, that oxidation is the addition of oxygen, while reduction is the removal of oxygen. Oxidation is the addition of oxygen, and reduction is the removal of oxygen. Now let me identify the oxidizing and the reducing agent. We should know that the oxidizing agent is the one that undergoes reduction, while the reducing agent is the one that undergoes oxidation. So hydrogen sulfide undergoes oxidation here, so it is our reducing, this is our reducing agent, and this is the oxidizing agent. So this is reducing agent and this is oxidizing agent. So let me move to the second question. If you notice something here, there is oxygen here, and when it gets to the product side, the oxygen here has been removed. And then I have already said that reduction is the removal of oxygen. So reduction is going on here. This is a reduction reaction. Oxygen has been removed. And then if you notice something about this NH theory here, we have NH theory here, and then we just have a nitrogen molecule here. So the hydrogen has been removed. And I've already said also that oxidation is the removal of hydrogen. So oxidation is occurring here. So this is oxidation. Now to identify our oxidizing and reducing agents. So this is our oxidizing agent. Let me just write OE because of space. This is our oxidizing agent, and this is the reducing agent. So please, there are some times like this that WAEC or JAMB, we have this kind of question. They will write an equation for you, and they will just ask us to identify maybe the oxidizing agent or the reducing agent. So if you follow the last class lecture and today's lecture, you are good to go on answering this type of question. Now let us look at the third one. If we notice something here, that oxygen has been added here, and then oxygen has been removed here. So this is where oxidation is occurring. Oxidation is occurring here. Oxidation, and then this is reduction. So oxidation is occurring and the reduction. So this will be our reducing agent, and this will be our oxidizing agent. So don't forget that oxidizing agent will undergo reduction, while reducing agents will undergo oxidation. Now look at the fourth one. If you remember the third definition that I gave in the last class, I said that oxidation is the addition of electronegative elements and the removal of electropositive elements. While reduction is the removal of electronegative elements and the addition of electropositive elements. So chlorine, that's chlorine, is an electronegative element. So if you look at something here, that chlorine has been added to this compound here. So this compound has gained one more electronegative element. So oxidation is occurring here. This is oxidation. And then this is reduction. So these are our reducing agents and these are our oxidizing agents. So that's that about it. I will continue next time by God's grace. So thank you. Have a wonderful day.